All right guys, I'm now going to take you through one of my favorite ways to decompress or to warm up, and it is the Shinbox Extension to Tripod Overhead Reach. So we're going to start by getting into position. So both feet, again, like the Shinbox, are outside of the hips, so a bit wider. We're going to have a nice proud chest. Draw your shoulders down and back as always. Stay tall through the crown. We don't want any falling over or collapsing. So I'm going to drop both knees down to one side, really sit into that for a moment. You might feel a real tight hip flexor right here. And then from here, we are going to place the hand behind us. We're going to extend with the hips, tuck the pelvis under and engage the glutes. And I'm going to use my free hand to reach over my head. Exhale. Really hold that for a few deep breaths. And then you're going to come back, lower yourself down, lift both knees up, and we're going to repeat on the opposite side. So once you've found that Shinbox position, place the arm out to the side, preferably not behind you, just out diagonally to the side is fine. We're going to bridge the hips. Inhale, exhale, reach over the head and look behind you. Hold it there for a few deep breaths. Bring the hips back down, come back to the front, and always reset before your next rep.